holds the boost steady. I just don't want it to go over 20 pounds of boost and we'll be fine. Woo. Yep, we're good. Wait, never mind. I was looking at the AFR. God damn it. Shit, I was looking at the wrong gauge. The air fuel ratios were like perfect. All right, let's try this one more time. Damn. Yeah, that's still way too high. It went up to 20 something pounds of boost. But holy shit, that sounds good. Oh my god, that sounds amazing. That sounds like that sounds way better than before. Like holy shit, that sounds aggressive as hell. And that boost comes on so damn hard. All right, so bad thing, I gotta switch out the spring. It's not a big deal. Thankfully, this new wastegate is on a V-band setup, so that's an easy swap. As long, you know, once a car cools down, so I'm not too worried about that. But damn, that sounds amazing. I mean, look how fast the boost comes on. Oh my god. Holy shit, this thing is nasty. Yeah, it's 24 pounds of boost, very low load in 4th gear, so it's gonna get on pretty high. For just a wastegate pressure, that's too much. I want it to be under 20 pounds just on wastegate. Oh boy, why so serious? That's what his helmet says. Why so serious? Let's roll up to the highway, bro, and then we'll see why so serious. Oh man. That would have been cool if I could race a bike. It doesn't look like it's like a fast bike, but I mean, still would have been cool. What's pulling up here? Oh, come on, dude. Don't act like you don't see me. What do you got there? Little SRT scatty pack or something? Nah, it sounds way too quiet. I'm not sure what that is. I want to see what the highest boost they'll go. On the top of 4th gear, but man, I don't know if I have enough space. Didn't go above 23 pounds, 23.4. So let me see if I can do something in 4th gear. But almost the top of 4th gear, 23.9 pounds of boost. Man, those brakes were really working there. I could smell them so bad. Whew. Let's see what a quick 1, 2, 3 hit would feel like. she's fucking nasty. Holy shit. God damn. If it runs like this, if it runs like this on 24 pounds of boost, can you guys imagine what it's gonna do back on 30 pounds of boost with the new turbo setup and a fully built head with stage 3 cams? 22.7 pounds of boost on that one. Yeah, so feels good, man. I'm very, very happy with it. I'm just gonna downsize one spring and call it. If it makes 20 pounds, cool. If it makes 18 pounds, cool. Whatever it is, I'll keep that as the lowest setting because I don't want to go too much lower than that. And then once I get the car tuned, I'll just make it to where that's the lowest and then just bump it up to 30 pounds, whatever the tuner feels is safest for the car. But so far, really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and go home, swap out the spring, and then we'll come back and test it again. What's up, dogs? All right, so there's a V-band, easy removal. All right, and you just stick your hand in there and you pull the wastegate right out. That simple. All right, so here we have our wastegate. All you gotta do is just like that. Very, very simple. So now we're gonna take this spring off and we're gonna replace it with one of these. We got the blue spring out and I put in the yellow spring. Now, if on the blue spring, which is 12 to 17 pounds, I was making 23.7, 23.8, that's roughly about 6 to 7 pounds more than the 17-pound limit. This one, 8 to 11, should bring me around 18 pounds of boost, hopefully, which would be absolutely perfect for what I'm looking for on the low boost setting. All right, and just like that, it is fully assembled. Now just to throw it back into the car. Well, fingers crossed this works, you guys, because if it does, then it's gonna be one hell of a successful weekend, that's for sure. I haven't had it's been a while since I've gone through like an install, fabrication, things like that went like perfectly fine. So far this has gone perfect and I would love for it to end that way. All right, let's see what I hit in second gear. I might go into third gear depending on what the boost levels are. All right. Bro. I swear the automotive gods have listened to me. I said I wanted it to end perfect and it ended perfect. 15.9 pounds of boost. That's absolutely perfect, man, because the wastegate setting before on the previous setup was 13. Whenever I'm not driving the car, so for example, whenever Lala drives it, I don't want the car to be on 30 pounds of boost for her. Safety reasons, obviously. So we needed that low setting, you know, and then also just to get her to learn how to drive the car. And man, I am super, super excited about this. That's it, man. Black Sheep Industries, thank you guys so much for making one hell of a wastegate, man. Y'all have solved all my issues. Not only solved my issues, but you gave me like the best sound possible. This sounds amazing. The car was spinning really bad in the beginning of the video. First, second, even a little bit of third gear. I'm not sure how much the video picks it up, but I mean, it was spinning like bad. And you know, for that being a low boost setting, I don't think that was a smart idea. So now like this, I mean, that's still a hell of a lot of power though. I mean, 16 pounds of boost and the car still pulls really, really hard. We can do another pull here. All right. Yeah, dude. Oh my god, bro. Dude, that's fast. I don't care who you are, man. That's fast. That, damn. For that being a 16 pound, for that being 16 pounds of boost, low boost setting, that's really freaking fast, dude. It's gonna be twice as much boost whenever the car gets done. It's gonna be absolutely insane. Honestly, it makes me a little bit nervous. We're good. We are really good. That's gonna put a stamp on it, man. All done. I did it. I've done exactly what I was chasing for. Now it's just a matter of taking the car up to my boy Clint, get the head, bill, cams, all the good stuff, and see what it makes. It's gonna be pretty interesting. Now, please don't go thinking that I'm gonna go and do that next week or the week after that. You know, I gotta gather my finances, I gotta get everything together in order for me to be able to do this, right? But that is the next step for the car. Now, if you guys want it to happen quickly and you guys want me to go ahead and build the car and, you know, make the 800, 900 horsepower as soon as possible, y'all go ahead and leave me a like, share the video, leave me a comment, you know, basically just, you know, help out with that's basically what you can do to help out with the channel. Honestly, the more you guys share, the more you guys like, the more you guys comment, it helps the channel grow. Obviously that helps me make another extra $1 or $2, literally $1 or $2. YouTube doesn't pay as much as people think it does, at least not for someone my size, right? But the more you guys do that, man, it helps me out. And I've been doing YouTube for, you know, over 3 years now. I'm sure you guys know that everything that I make here goes all back into the cars for more and better content. So yep, I'll go ahead and let you guys go, and thank you guys so much, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Later.